Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot J-15 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a brand new home that we just got delivered. We're still finishing up a bit of the kind of finishing touches. So you see there on the ground we've got the sliding doors for the shower, but we're going to take an early look. So one thing I want to highlight with this house is they have these much larger blinds, which shut out the light a lot more, and I think they just look really, really pretty with the rest of the house. Here we have the kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances from Whirlpool. This is the side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. You can see this was like just delivered, so you've got all the stuff taped so nothing rocks around while it's on the road. Here we have the dishwasher. Got laminate countertops here with the tile backsplash. Here is the microwave above the oven stove combination with the heating tray at the bottom. You can see in the microwave, and we'll take a look in the oven. This is the back door here, and this is the bathroom. So here you can see this is a one-piece fiberglass. You've got 2 seats in there. We still have to put those doors on that I showed you before. Here is the toilet. And you've got a light above. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. But before that, you've got this area right here, which is where you have your stackable washer and dryer. This is the first bedroom. I'll show you from the corner here so you can get a feel of how large this is. Now we'll take a look at the closet. Got a wire rack here already. This is the data plate, which has all the information about the home. And this is the whole house shutoff valve. In the door right next door, we have the water heater. This is a 40-gallon electric water heater. And we've also got these really pretty doors that come with this house. So they've got that nice top section. And I really, really love all the black hardware. Got all the handles and the sink head. This house comes with forced hot air and central air conditioning. This is the furnace, which is responsible for that. The one thing that I really love about this one is that it's got the super, super easy to change filter at the top. And this is the second bedroom. This one also has a closet. We'll take a look at that now. And I'd also like to note that in both the bedrooms and in the living room, there is a cable jack. So it's very easy to set up a TV for television. If you're interested in this house, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and You also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.